Hello everyone, this is Mukunthan Ragavan, and this video we are going to see the merge and especially the type of fast forward. Fast forward merge is a simple way to merge changes in Git where the current branch pointer, which is head, simply moved forward to the target branch commit. Let's understand in very practical way. You have the branch which is master or main branch. In that, imagine you have the initial commit with commit 1. Now you create the future branch. As we know that future branch will also have the initial commit because it was created from the master branch. Then you make the future changes, maybe the future commit 1, future commit 2. Now the main catch is in this time period, there is no change happened in the master or main branch. Now you want to merge with the master or main branch. As you know, the master branch header pointing to the commit 1. In future branch, the header pointing to the future commit 2. Now, rather than creating the merge, since there is no changes in the main branch, just the header of the main branch from commit 1 will be forwarded to the future branch commit 2. Then it's very easy. Then the master branch has its header pointing to the future commit 2 and it has all the changes in the master branch. Here we are not merging, we are just moving our commit header to the recent future branch commit 2. So this is the simple understanding how the Git fast forward merge happens. Let's try to do the same thing in the practical way. Let's start everything from the scratch. Git init, touch, sample1 txt, git add, git commit, initial commit. Now if you see the git log, you can see you are in the master branch and it is pointing to the initial commit. Let's create the future branch. Git branch, now git checkout. Now you are in the future branch. Now also you just look for the git log. Here you can see now head is pointing to the future and master branch because it has the same initial commit. Now in the future branch, I am creating the commit. Let's see sample2 text file, git add, future commit. Now if you see the git log, now the head is pointing to the future commit when you are in the future branch. Switch to the master branch. Even we can use the git switch. Now type git log. See, in master branch still we have the initial commit. After the initial commit, no changes has been made. Now we want to make master branch with merged with the current future branch. Now try to understand master is the target branch. Why? Because this is where we want to maintain all the code sync with the all future branches. And whenever some changes, whenever some deployments, whenever someone wants the code base, we will always refer to the master branch or main branch. So for that reason, we always merge other changes, other future changes into master branch. When you do the merge, you should have the main branch or master branch. Basically, you should be inside your master or main branch. Now we are in the master branch. Now we are bringing other changes into master branch. So for that, git merge, then future. Now here you can see it is telling, it is updating the commit or let's say the header towards the recent commit has been done in the future branch. It is the fast forward. Now if you see the git log, now again you can see future commit. Basically initially it was 8861. In the master, the header was pointing to this one. Now just move the pointer to the second one, ABA1A. So because of that, now master branch has all the future commits because now all the changes has been merged to the master branch. Now here there is nothing merge happened, just the movement of header from the initial commit to the future commit. So this is the simple way to understand the fast forward merge commit. And this is all about this video, and always be a rainbow in others cloud.